What's happening, YouTube? And today we're looking at the Steam Link app via Vision Pro. Now, as long as you have Steam Link app, you'll be able to play Steam games. Anything you have in Steam will be able to be played here via remote play. So we have our Ridge VR here, that our PC right on our left, and we have the PS5 controller connected via Bluetooth on our Vision Pro. Now, to be able to play, all you need to do is put the pin on your Ridge VR to continue. So here, you'll have to put in your 4-digit authorization code, the one we have here, onto our Steam, as you could see there, and then we'll be able to play. So let's try that right now. So this is the Steam Link, as you could see here. Be able to play games via Steam. So for example, if you wanted to play Palworld right there, I guess I have to hit update on that. Maybe let's just play something else here. Let's hit this one. So this is us playing Last of Us. And as you could see, using the controller here, I'll show you if there's any lag to this. It seems pretty good, I would say. It says X, L and X. Okay, there you go. Yeah, pretty much you'll be able to play without any problems there.
Plank fell down.
Plank fell down. Okay, I'm gonna get that plank for her. Right here. Gonna carry the plank. Where's triangle?
Be a dear, would you?
There it is. Carry. Bring it up to her.
Here, pass it to me.
There it is. I'll place it right there. Yeah, as you could see,
It's a bit heavy.
it's super
I think I can
intuitive.
handle it.
Pretty cool, right?
All right.
Just grabbing it right there. Even the look, if you want to go faster, as you could see there, able to like control it without any problems at all. Oh, I love this. You'll be able to use it for second
go.
display, I guess. And without
Get your
any
ass up
problems
here.
at all. Now, this is an iPad app, the Steam Link iPad app. So there is touch controls if you wanted to. Obviously, we can't use that, but at least we have the option of using a third-party controller with our Vision Pro. Now, I made a video on this, on connecting the PS5 controller and also doing a remote play on PS5. So that's another cool thing that you can use this for. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now let's try another game here. Now let's go try play some Palworld now. See how well this does as well. That's so sweet. Let's go. So it does work. As you can see here. All the buttons pretty much work. Let's switch our... Oh, there it is. So let's switch our pickup. See? Oh yeah, it's pretty good. You can use this. Let's see here. Let's grab it. Did I run out of... Oh my goodness, I need more spears. It's gone. Gotta catch that guy. There's different line here. Oh. But yeah, you'll be able to use all the controls here. Super cool. Pretty surprised about that. But yeah, you can play Palworld no problem at all. There it is. Try a different game. Maybe you guys can. There it is. Change it up. Let's see. You can also use this as a mouse, as you could see there. Set exit game. Convert. Obviously, the controller still works really well. Way better than the mouse. It's just more intuitive, right? Let's try a different game here now. Let's see. There's a bunch of different stuff that you can use it for sure. It's good stuff, man. There's the Call of Duty right there. You know what? Let's do some farming simulator maybe. Let's try if that works. Look at this. Pretty cool. Hold to magnify. There's different stuff that you can use on your controller for sure. It's kind of not centered. What's going on here? Now, it's obviously not perfect. Never mind, it fixed itself. What it was like. Let's see career. There you go. It's pretty cool. Get this huge screen to play farming simulator. DualSense controller. It's not compatible in every game, but it works because Steam actually creates like a virtual, what do you call that? Like a virtual buttons so that every controller works. I think the Xbox controller works for most games. So if you want to use that, I have the Xbox right there, but that's actually connected to my PC. This one is to the Vision Pro. But yeah, it'll work just as well, I guess. Let's see. Can I change the view at all? No, I can't. Okay, fine. Let's do some. What's this? Out. And there's some water. Let's ride some house. You can't do that, no. Can you jump there? I honestly don't know how to play this game. I'm sorry. This is just I just like to download stuff and try it out and see what I can do with it. But like realistically, I don't know how to play most of these games, man. Look at this, you can run. Oh, run. What's this? You can ride some tractors for sure, right there. It's us. Oh, that easy. First. Oh yeah, you like my look there? Those glasses. Yo, girl. Oh, tractor. Yeah, we're just doing the farm life. So how we do farm the same later. Just loving the view. Mountains everywhere. Spin. Riding tractor. What's the tractor? Yeah. Try a different game here. See if we can exit this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. Exit game right there. Boom. Hit confirm. Done. Da-ga-da. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. If it's any good or not. This is me doing a Steam VR. Not really VR. It's just a Steam Link iPad version, so you can't really use the Steam VR at all. It won't give you like the immersive experience that you get with the Oculus. But at least you will be able to connect your controller and play some games via Vision Pro. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Peace.